Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to taunt in Dota 2 on your PC. Let's get started. A taunt is a fun animation your hero performs. It doesn't give stats or doesn't change gameplay. It's just for fun and style. But to use it, your hero must on a taunt cosmetic. There are three easiest ways to get one: Battle Pass reward, Steam Market or Start Shop. Once you own it, you are ready to use it in game. To equip your taunt on PC, open Heroes in the main menu. Select the hero you want. Go to the layout. From here, click the taunt slot. Choose the taunt and press equip. Now your taunt is set for matches. Once you are in, using a taunt is super simple. Just press T on the keyboard and that's it. Your hero will instantly perform your taunt animation. Keep in mind, not be silent. You can't taunt while stunned, or some animations can be cancelled if you are moving during it. Use taunt in fun moments, but don't spam them too much or teammate might be annoyed. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to taunt in Dota 2 on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.